Happy New Year! Thank you everyone for last year. I will post a lot of interesting videos this year as well. Today, I'll make Osechi Japanese traditional New Year's dish. Let's get started.
First of all, make the simmered black soybeans. Wash the black beans. Add 1000 cc of water, 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a pot and bring to a boil. You can boil it softly by adding baking soda. When it boils, add the beans, turn off the heat and leave overnight. This is a sweet black soybeans. It's called Kuromame in Japanese. Eating kuromame means you can be encouraged work and academic achievement. Put the pot on high heat and when it boils, reduce the heat to low and remove the lye. Cover with aluminum foil, put the lid and simmer over low heat for 5 to 6 hours. Shift the lid a little to open the gap. Add water from time to time, always keep the beans soaked in water. When the beans are soft enough to be crushed with your fingers, it's done. This is simmered black soybeans, kuromame. Then, cook the herring roe, Kazunoko. 1000 cc of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Soak the salted herring roe overnight, excuse salt. Make the marinade. Boil 200 cc of sake and 1 tablespoon of mirin over high heat. Bring to a boil to remove alcohol. The hair on my finger burned, be careful. Add light soy sauce and boil over medium heat. When it boils, add 10 grams of dried bonito flake and remove from heat. Strain the marinade and let cool. Drain the water of herring roe. Put herring roe and marinade in a storage bag. Herring roe is a lot of roe, so it means their sentence prosperity. Soak for half a day. Cut into pieces that's easy to eat. The bubble wrap texture is popular. It's also used for sushi ingredients. Add dried bonito flakes and mix. It's done. This is herring roe, Kazunoko. Next, cook the burdock. Wash the burdock well. Thoroughly wash off the soil. Cut into 4 to 5 centimeters. This dish is Tataki gobo. Tataki means heat and gobo means burdock. Cut into half vertically after that. Soak in water with vinegar for about 5 minutes, remove the lye. 1000 cc of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Boil for 10 minutes until soft. Tataki gobo has a lot of meaning. Eating burdock means good harvest, stability, and health. And hitting the opened burdock also means opening luck. Hit the burdock. Hit it so that doesn't break. Be careful not to hit your finger. Finally, add the seasoning to burdock. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of ground sesame seed. Mix well. It's done. This is Tataki gobo. Next, simmered arrowhead. Cut off the stem and cut the bottom flat. Peel. This is like a potato companion. It's called kuwai in Japanese. It's often eaten in the New Year in Japan. People pray for success and promotion and eat arrowhead on New Year. But I think it's better to work than to pray. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday. Please subscribe. Simmers arrowhead with soup. 200cc of dashi soup stock. 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of mirin. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add arrowhead and simmer. By the way, Osechi is the traditional meal only prepared for New Year. All of the ingredients in Osechi are well-meaning, cause Osechi is eaten to pray for good health and great harvest for a year. When it boils, cover it with aluminum foil and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. After boiling and cooling, it's done. This is simmered arrowhead kuai. Next, make tatsukuri. Tatsukuri is candied sardine. Heat the frying pan and add the dried baby sardines. Fry slowly over low heat so not to burn. Fry until crispy enough to break easily. Put in the colander and shake it to remove fine debris. Spread on a tray and let cool. Make the sauce 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Boil over high heat. When the sauce forms and thick, add sardine. Add sesame seed. Hang on with the sauce well. It's done. Spread on a tray lined with cooking paper and let cool. When cooled, it becomes candy-like. This is candied sardine tatsukuri. Next, make the kohaku kamaboko. It's decorated red and white fish cake, cut into 1 to 2 cm. Separate from the board and cut in half vertical. Artfully arrange red and white fish cake. Kamaboko is a fish paste. This kamaboko is half moon shaped and represents sunrise. Red and white color is congratulation color in Japan, because red color means joy and white color means holy. Finally, boil the spiny lobster. Boil over low heat to prevent beards and legs from coming off. It's a luxury shrimp that's eaten at celebrations in Japan, because long beard and bent hips resemble an old man, so people eat them to pray for longevity. Pack the food in jubako box. Jubako is a traditional Arrowhead lunchbox. I made this bamboo bowl. I also kadomatsu which appeared at the opening. Kadomatsu is a bamboo decoration for the new year. This time, as an extra video, I'll introduce how to make kadomatsu after this. Beautifully served with decorative leaves. It's done.
Oh, congratulations on this! All go well with alcohol. By the way, do you know Otoso? Otoso is celebration drink New Year. This is Fuji's Kitchen's Otoso. Thank you for watching. I hope you happiness and health this year. See you next time.
usually use pine, bamboo, and plum flowers for kadomatsu. It's called shochiku bai in Japanese. That's very congratulations. But visual case kadomatsu are pine, bamboo, and roses. It's shochiku bara. Ha ha ha. Thank you for watching. Have a nice year. See you.
Oh yeah.